What's up guys, welcome back to another video of CDV. And today we're going to be cleaning my car. So obviously I've got a Vauxhall Corsa and we're going to be basically cleaning it for the first time since I bought it. So it's been about like 2 months now. So in the winter I kind of want to clean it like once every 2 months. So that's how I'm going to do it basically. So guys, this is obviously the first time we're going to be cleaning my car and I'm going to be doing it myself. I bought some stuff. So guys, we bought this, the Demon Valet Pack. So guys, the first thing we used was the Demon Clean multi-purpose cleaner. Then we used both of these at the same time. We got the wet look tyres and the fast wheel cleaner. These look so good. And lastly boys, we used a spray on shine, which smells actually so nice and looks nice. So boys, that's enough talking. Let's get straight into cleaning the car. Alright guys, so shit, I've got a GoPro on my head. First thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna wet it fully off, try and get everything off we can without using any of the stuff. Mate, it's like I'm sniping. Look at this. This looks so clean. Right boys, nice to have the spray on shine and we're done. Boys, we are all done. So boys and girls, we are all done. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but look how nice it looks. This is fucking clean. I didn't think I could get it this clean, to be honest. Thought my expertise weren't too great, but it's so nice, boys. Oh my boys, this is so clean. But I'll show you what it looked like before. Now it's so much better.